I died, it's not my fault, okay? It's because I died for you guys. Hey, what's down here? Whoa.
We just went in a circle.
Alright, let's go.
Sorry.
Hey, King, what's up?
Wow. Who'd have thunk it?
Ooh.
Whoa!
What's down here, dude?
It's someone's burial.
Is that a body?
Ooh.
What is that?
Wow, what is this?
Bunch of rocks. There's no body, don't worry.
How glorious.
Yeah. Does anyone want to lie down? Hey, King.
Yeah, I'll take a picture.
Okay. Okay. Ready? Okay. I'll just do this so you can see the 3D dimensions.
Okay. Lay down, lay down, lay down, lay down.
Don't kill yourself.
What if there's a black widow? Nah.
Black Widow.
Don't worry, man. There's no such thing as insects down here. They're all dead.
I know.
It
No
looks
food.
dirty. I don't
What
want
type of stupid fly would try and get in here anyways?
One that has less than 24 hours to live.
over here.
Ooh. I'm too tall
Is
for
there a
this,
light over
man.
here?
Yeah, you
That's what you keep saying. You appear out of nowhere.
right here.
Seriously.
Who?
You.
Doing what?
Why is that moving?
I'm too tall for this.
Are you
Why
too?
is this moving?
No, I'm sure.
Couldn't abandon that.
Most likely.
Oh, it looks like it's moving whenever you move. Okay.
Wait, let me.
Bieber.
No,
That's
I'm the
good.
cool version of Bieber. Bieber's like some sort of pathetic version.
Mine?
Pathetic version.
Hey, look, more words. Look. What the heck is this? Kim was here. Oh, back in 2007. That's nothing.
Oh, that's a good one.
With that?
With the window. Try it. I think.
Oh my god, no way. No way!
Is there anything?
Must have been like from 5 minutes ago. Just kidding.
Min.
Oh my gosh.
Next to it.
Here? Oh.
Hey, excuse me, is anyone out there?
No, it's creepy.
Hey, you!
That's the point.
Darn it, no one's out there.
No.
I have a flashlight too, and it's like bright outside.
Should do that with the spider web. Look at it. Look at the spider web.
No, why? What's over here?
Dude, like, is it like under the door?
That was not a burp, by the way. I was just trying to be creepy. That was like some sort of ghost burp, but teenage ghosts. Flashlight, Valerie. Valerie, where'd you go?
That's not you.
Please game.
Where'd they go?
Oh, that's cool.
What?
Don't you think?
Ah! Wow, I just saw something. Hey, look, I found a rusty nail. Okay, you guys want to go in? Hey, is that supposed to be a door?
I don't know.
Door?
Ooh, let's check it out.
How about we go over there? We go to there.
Okay. Yeah, let's go.
do this.
Right behind you.
If I die, then what else? Who's that? Who's that? Oh, you guys.
What? What?
What about that door?
I think that's Quinn.
Quinn, is that you? Huh.
Oh snap!
Tickle it.
Dude, don't die!
Hey, the door.
Some
What the hell?
Is that Lizzie?
Snatch. Go, 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 go.
No!
Well, at first I was like, is that? I thought that was Lizzie, dude.
Oh, it's just Quinn.
Waiting.
You guys don't want to go in?
Where's Valerie and Michigan?
What's that? All the way down there.
Oh, let's see if the door can
Wait,
open.
Wait, is this?
Wait, didn't we enter from over there? How'd that door get blocked?
What?
Wait, didn't we go all the way down there? We went to the left.
This is me.
Like, never mind.
Yeah, we did. So down the farthest chamber and then to the left.
And how'd we get over there?
What are you talking about?
We went back over there,
really?
didn't we?
Yeah.
I don't
Wait.
know.
Does this place go around the whole school?
The whole E building.
Yeah.
Ego. So what's all the way down
Yo,
there?
check this out, man.
The ends. It opens up to the outside.
I want to run it too.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
us.
You have a pen? You have a pen?
No. You guys, unprepared.
Yes.
Such teenagers. Oh, look, what's that? Does it work? Yes, it works. Oh my god, but it's
Does pencil
pencil.
work on?
Cement versus pencil. I don't know.
And I got a rock.
Charcoal, dude. Fail.
I think it's bad for your lungs to be down here.
Are you talking? Yeah, of course, if you don't have a flashlight.
I'm trying to sting my nose.
First, I thought that was Lizzie. Was like, I was all like,
So we're gonna go in the attic?
Who's
you
that?
guys want to go to the attic?
All right,
You guys
let's
can
go.
explore the whole place.